Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be attempting to install Windows 98 onto this mid-2000s Windows Vista HP Pavilion PC. And as you can see, I've got a hard drive hooked up to it, as well as a DVD-ROM drive. The internal one is broken. So this is the setup here. And let's see how it works. So as you can see, there's one IDE port there, which means it has some IDE controller stuff in there. So let's see if it will work. So turning on the computer. So I'm going to go to escape. And let's see if they will be detected. So I'm going to put my official, definitely Windows 98 CD into there, and just gonna F2 to continue. So both of our drives are detected, which is good, and this drive currently has Windows XP onto it. So yeah, it's not working, obviously. Yeah, so blue screen. But it has Windows XP on it, and the drive is currently failing. So you can hear it clicking. So when it tries to initialize, it's like clicking while it's initializing. So it's not in the best condition, but it works. So we're in the Windows 98 startup menu, which is great. So Windows 98, remove the files, remove the partition and configure hard disk. Yes. Enable large disk space. This is an 80 gig hard drive after all, so it's a overkill for Windows 98. I'm going to go to the boot menu here. F2 to continue. Then let's go to the DVD-ROM drive. I'm actually curious on how well this computer is going to run it. Actually, let me remove the RAM, because there's like 3 sticks in here. So these are like 1 gigabyte. I think 1 gigabyte of RAM will be just fine for this system. Yep. So both sticks are out, and the one left in there is a 1 gigabyte stick. So let's boot it back up. And my cat one's out of my room currently. I'll do that in a second. Okay. So F2 to continue. So, there we go. I'm gonna let my cat out of my room. Okay, so currently it's formatting the hard disk. So that is gonna take quite a while. So I'll be back when it's done formatting. Okay, so gotten past the formatting stage, and now it's time to run scan disk. Of course it's going to pass, and now it's copying the files, and there we go. We're in the Windows 98 setup, GUI setup here with the mouse and stuff. There we go. Yes, I want C Windows. Preparing directory. And now it's checking for available disk space, and now, well, we have 80 gigabytes of disk space, so let's go to custom here. Okay. Now I want all of this: desktop themes, multi-language support, and why not web TV for Windows. So computer name, okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, so now it just needs to copy the files, and I'll be back once it's done copying. Okay, so looks like it rebooted. Just press F2 to continue. Boot from, there we go. So it's preparing to start Windows for the first time. Let's see how it performs. So, and it's going to go back into the setup from running, that is, running from the hard drive and not the CD. So, alright, so user information. Just gonna put my name, my first name. I accept. And product key. Oh, that's in. It's right here. So I'm just going to enter that in. So, okay, looks like I typed it in wrong. I think that is right there. So, okay, so looks like I've messed up the product key here. Okay, so I need to figure out this product key and I'll be right back. Okay, so I was able to fix, put in the product key. Turns out the 6 was actually a J, and I just had written it. It just looked like a C. I meant a 6 on the CD, so now it's going to finish setting up the hardware. So it's detecting the hardware right now. So the system just hung. It's not good. Let me try restarting. Alright. So that's not good. So So let's let it boot into Windows again. So let's hope it works. Yeah, and fingers crossed that it won't hang anymore from this point on. But probably will. So looks like it's working. So I'll be back once it gets to the setup. Well, once it goes to configure your hardware. So it rebooted. Let's see. It's upstairs for like 30 minutes, so. Oh, no. Okay. Oops. So, let's try again. Okay. Booting up. Okay, this screen. No hard drive active. So no hard drive activity. It's not good. Let me try restarting it. Okay, so let's continue. So, yeah. Let's give it a reboot and just let's hope things go well. Okay. Okay, so it's got a different screen this time, but still it's broken. So I think Windows 98 is installed. It's just I think Windows is not compatible with certain hardware. That's in the system, like maybe the SATA controller or CPU. Don't know. It's just the modem, maybe. All of this hardware is like very new compared to what this operating system is expecting. So try safe mode. So there we go. F2. So let's try safe mode. And oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. It's loading. It's loading. I didn't expect Windows 98 to even successfully install on this system. I have a Dell Inspiron 1000 made for Windows XP and is older than this system here. It used an IDE hard drive as its primary hard drive, no SATA on that one. And that one could not successfully install Windows 98. And yet this one here I was able to get to this point, and I think that's pretty amazing. But I'm running out of time here. It's 1:22. I've been filming a video for 4 hours trying to get Windows 98 installed on a HP Windows Vista computer, but I think that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week.